am Anisha here. This is the first video in this set particle physics. If you like my channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video. If there is any doubt or any suggestion, you can come into the comment section. In this video, I discuss about the classification of elementary particles. Particle physics. It is a branch of physics which deals with the constituents of matter and radiation and interactions among them. In this video, I specifically turned into the classification of elementary particles. Let's we discuss about first the elementary particles. Elementary particles. They are the simplest particles of matter and radiation. Most of them are short-lived and do not exist under normal conditions. Exceptions are electrons, protons, neutrons, and neutrinos. According to the quantum theory, the elementary particles are nothing but the quanta of the corresponding field. Any kind of radiation may be regarded as a flux of elementary particles. The elementary particles are classified into two main groups on the basis of their spins: bosons and fermions. Bosons are the particles with intrinsic angular momentum equal to an integral multiple of h cross, like 1h cross, 2h cross. Their behavior is governed by Bose-Einstein statistics. Fermions are the particles with intrinsic angular momentum equal to half integral multiple of h cross, that is like 1 by 2 h cross, 3 by 2 h cross. They obey Fermi-Dirac statistic. Fermi-Dirac statistics. Most important difference between the two classes of particles is that there is no conservation law controlling the total number of bosons in the universe, whereas the total number of fermions is strictly conserved in all conservation. These two general groups of elementary particles can be further classified in accordance with the rest mass of the particle. From the Big Bang theory, we know matter is made from molecules. Molecules is from atoms. Atoms is from proton, neutron, and electron. Proton and neutron are from quarks. Then we can say that elementary particles are quarks and electron. Electron similar atoms also included in this group, that is electron, muon, tau. They are collectively known as leptons. Now we discuss each topics of elementary particles. The first one is leptons. Leptons means light mass. Consider two electrons which are separated by a distance small r. Then the potential V of r is given by V of r is equal to kq by r. From this equation, as r increases, V of r decreases. That is, it is easy to separate. Leptons exist freely in nature. That is, leptons are weakly interacting fermions with a spin half and with a spin mass lesser than that of nucleons. Next is quarks. Consider two quarks, Q1 and Q2, separated by a distance small r. Then the potential is given by V of r is equal to minus A by r plus Br. Since the first term is reciprocating, that is increases so fastly. That is, as R increases, A by R decreases, minus A by R increases, V of R increases. That is, it is difficult to separate two quarks. There are no free quarks in nature. They always form groups. Groups of quark is called hadrons. If they form group with the two quarks, then it is called meson. Two quark group is meson. And if they form with group with the three quarks, then the group is called baryon. That is, three quark group is baryon. Leptons. Leptons are half fermions with charge minus C0. They exist in six flavors. Electron, neutrino electron, muon, neutrino muon, tau, neutrino tau. For the upper half, charge is minus E and lower half charge is 0. The first group is called first generation, second is called second generation, third one is called third generation. They do not have color charge quantum number. Quarks. They are also spin half fermions with the charge 2 by 3e and minus 1 by 3e. Since quark cannot exist freely, they exist in bound state. They also exist in six flavors. Up, down, charm, strange, top, bottom. For the upper half, charge is Q is equal to 2 by 3e. For lower half, charge is Q is equal to minus 1 by 3e. Consider the case of proton. Proton has proton has two up quark and one down quark. With the charge 2 by 3e, up quark has charge 2 by 3e plus 2 by 3e minus 1 by 3e. Then the total charge is E. Since they are half fermions, according to Pauli's exclusion principle, only two members can exist in a group. To explain this structure, we introduced a quantum number called color charge quantum number. Three quarks in baryon must have three different color charge quantum number. Each quark exists in three colors: red, blue, green. These names are given because they are primary colors. Particles in each group. First one is leptons. Leptons. There are three families or generators. First is electron family. E minus, neutrino electron. Its antiparticle E plus, antineutrino electron. Next family is muon. Mu minus, neutrino muon. Its antiparticles mu plus, neutrino mu. And next one is tau family. Tau minus, neutrino tau, antiparticles tau plus tau. Okay. Next group is hadrons. Hadrons is the group of quarks. It may contain two quark group and three quark group. Two quark group is meson. Let their spin maybe S1 is equal to half. Two quark group contain particle and its antiparticle. That means spin S1 is equal to half, S2 is equal to minus half, Then the total spin S is equal to 0. They are called a meson group and its particles are three types are the first one is pi meson, pi plus, pi naught, pi minus, k meson, k plus, k naught and its antiparticles k minus, k naught bar. Next is eta meson, that is eta naught. Next is 3-quark group. 3-quark group is baryon, it contains 3 spins. That means S1 is equal to half, S2 is equal to half, S3 equal to half. Then the total spin is S is equal to half or 3 by 2. If their combination is 3 by 2 and one of them is antiparticle, then it becomes half. Okay. Then this group can be divided into two groups. First one is spin half baryons. Spin half baryons. Next group is spin 3 by 2 baryons. Spin half baryons. Particles are proton, neutron, lambda naught, sigma plus, sigma naught, sigma minus, cascade naught, cascade minus. Next group is spin 3 by 2 baryons. They contain delta plus plus, delta plus, delta naught, delta minus, sigma star plus, sigma star minus, sigma star 0. Cascade star naught, cascade star minus. Last one is omega minus. We told that particle physics is the interaction between matter and radiation. There are 4 types of interactions are there. Now we told about interactions. There are 4 types of interactions are there. First one is strongest, strong interaction, weak interaction, electromagnetic interaction and gravitational. Gravitational. Out of this strongest interaction is strong interaction followed by electromagnetic interaction, weak interaction and gravitational interaction. The gravitational force is experienced by all matter. Electromagnetic force is experienced by charged particles such as electron. Strongest interaction is the force between nucleons. Only particles made up of quark can participate in strong interaction. Other particles including electron, muon and 3 neutrinos cannot participate in strong interaction. Electromagnetic force is mediated by exchange of photons. They have spin h gross. The strong interaction is mediated by exchange of gluons. They have spin s is equal to h gross. The weak interaction is mediated by exchange of omega and Z bosons. They also have spin h gross. The gravitational force is mediated by gravitons. They have spin to H cross. Okay. Chart in which all the particles are noted. The elementary particles are classified into leptons, hadrons and field quanta. Leptons include electron family, muon family, tau family. Hadrons are group of quarks, that means 2 quark group and 3 quark group. 2 quark group is called mesons and 3 quark group is baryons. 2 quark group meson contain pi family, k family and eta family. Baryons are subdivided into spin-half baryons and spin 3 by 2 baryons. In spin-half baryons, it included proton, lambda, sigma and cascade. In spin 3 by 2, there are delta, sigma, cascade, omega. The last group is field quanta. In field quanta, there are 4 types of interactions and their corresponding fields are noted. Okay, video, please like the video and any suggestions or any question you can ask freely in the comment section. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Okay, see you again. Bye bye.